I was sent this small 1500 watt electric space heater in exchange for this video. The timing couldn't be more perfect with the cold weather we're having right now where I live. So let's go ahead and open this up and we're gonna be testing it out. So here's a look at the heater out of the box. As you can see, it's very compact. So this would fit under a desk in a lot of different places. So this has a timer setting, so you can set it to heat for a certain length of time, 1, 2 to 4 hours if you'd like. This also has tip over protection, overheating protection, as well, an anti-scald type of material, so it's gonna stay cooler to the touch. So here on the back is the on and off button, and we also have a removable dust filter back here, so you can take this out and clean it when necessary. That's a really cool feature. And also this is a really cool one that it's white. I don't think I've ever seen a space heater that was white before. So as I said, this one has 3 different settings that you can see here at the top that we have the indicators for that. And yeah, this is ceramic. Like I said, 3-second fast heating, so it starts heating up super fast. Let's go ahead and plug this one in now. So here's a look at the little heater, and I can feel there's an incredible amount of heat coming out of here. It's amazing that such a small device is able to do that. So we have the on and off button here, so you can tap it and it's getting even faster. And then this one is the cooler setting. Again, you can see it says that right at the top. So the on and off button. So we have the lowest setting, higher, and then cooler. And then we can also touch oscillation, so it can affect or blow towards different spaces in the room or whoever needs it at that moment. And then here are the settings, 1, 2, and 4-hour settings. Such a cool little heater. This is so cool for a small space. If you have a tiny room or something like that, maybe even in a camper, maybe in a bathroom, there are a lot of places that this could be super handy. I think this is adorable, and it's just amazing the amount of heat this is capable of putting out as well. Here's another example of how small a place that this little heater can fit right here on the back of the toilet in our bathroom. It is such an amazing little heater, so convenient and so small.